Yo, what's up, peeps? Today, I'm going to do an unboxing video of an Ibanez SR 405 EP DX limited edition. It's a very special day for me because I've been waiting on this bass since the beginning of the year, since they first introduced it from Ibanez. With no further delays, here's the unboxing. And the bass did come from Zounds.com, ZZOUNDS. They're a great company to work with. 2-day shipping. Ordered it Tuesday. Today is Thursday, and I have it already. So it didn't take long to get it. Okay. I brought the SR 305 a couple of weeks ago. Love it. Love the neck, love the tone, love the way it plays. Great bass. Ibanez is doing a really good job with their instruments here lately. Put this over to the side. Oh wow, this is YouTube. This is beautiful. Love the headstock. Love this color. And here it is, fresh, brand new, out the box with the gold hardware. The updated bridge where you can adjust the string spacing. It has the power tap switch with the 3 different modes. Single coil, humbucker, and power tap, 3-band EQ, bass, mid, and treble, blend, volume. And this is that tropical color for the 35th special edition, limited edition. The website says that it has a Nyota body. I guess that's how you pronounce that. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, let me know. The video doesn't show how beautiful this bass is. It has the burl top on it. Jatoba fretboard with a maple and walnut neck. Has the matching headstock, which is the same color as the body with the gold tuners. I heard that the tuners were updated for this model. Check me if that information is wrong. But I love it. Once again, just opened the box, haven't set it up yet, but the neck is straight. It feels really good. Once again, no sharp fret edges, just like on my 305. It feels really good. It feels really, really good. And I'll do another video later on letting you guys know how it sounds. Let me see. Yeah, the battery's already in it. Yeah, I love it. Tell me what you think. It is beautiful. Beautiful. Love it. Look at there. Look at the gold hardware. Yeah. Check it out, folks. Later.